So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about one example where we required the topics of from the previous video of independent and dependent variables, as well as we also required here one formula of the conditional probability. Okay, that is A union B. So if you guys want the one video, separate video on the examples for the formulas of the conditional probability like A union B, A intersection B, if you guys want a separate video for the examples, please let me know in the comments below. Now we are moving forward with this example. So this example says a person hits a target with a rifle shot in 4 out of 5 times. Okay, so here it is given 4 out of 5 times. Maybe here it can also give the 2 out of 3 times or 3 out of 4 times, so don't get confused with it. And next it says another person can hit the same target with the same rifle in 3 out of 4 times. Okay, so we have to find the probability of an event for the target being hit when both try or by at least one hits the target. So here we have to mark this word. If you get the question of the conditional probability and here you will get this word at least, means we have to find the A union B. This is a shortcut, and please write this, note this. If you get one word, this at least means one or more than that. Okay, so we have to find all the conditions or the all the probability of all the conditions which are involved in there. Okay, so how we can solve this? Okay, we are going to solve it like that. Firstly, we have to find the probability of an event, okay, for which the person hits the target. So probability of event A, okay, that is the, here we have seen 4 out of 5 times, so 4 out of 5 times is 4 by 5. Okay, and then the second probability of event B is 3 out of 4 times that the second person is hitting the target. Okay, we have to find all the summation of all these events. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the probability of A union B. A union B is the summation of probability of event A and the probability of event B. Here it is that you want these formulas, guys, please let me know in the comments. I will give you all these formulas in one video, one separate video. Okay, so that probability of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. For the independent events, we have learned that in the previous videos, so you can check it out. P of A for independent event, A intersection B can be found as P of A into P of B. Okay, so what we will do now, we know that P of A into P of B. Okay, so P of A we know 4 by 5, we know P of B 3 by 4. Okay, P of A into B. Okay, P of A intersection B is this, P of A and P of B. Here we will put this in this formula. By reducing these things, we will get the final answers 19 by 20. So this is our final answer. This is the probability of the event, summation of event A and event B at least. It has says at least, means we have to find the summation of both the events. Okay, so in this way we can solve this example. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks a lot.